Alright, what's up everybody? Check it out. We're going to Vegas today. What are we going to be doing in Vegas?
We are going to be... Really, I gotta be on camera now?
Oh yeah, you gotta be on camera. This is all about you.
No. You're gonna edit this out. You're editing this out.
No, we're not editing this out.
No, we are.
No, we're not. We're going to Vegas today because this is going to be her first time on a motorcycle. She's never been on a bike.
Nope.
We're going out to Vegas. We're going to rent a bike. We're going to go check out, not just the strip, but we're going to be heading out. You know, we're going basically somewhere.
Valley of Fire.
Valley of Fire, yeah. We're going to go check out all the parks because I've never seen that stuff. So I think this would be a cool trip. So
super excited.
Let's do a little montage while we get there, and I'll catch you on the other side. All right. So far, a good trip or no?
I'm exhausted. I'm starving.
Yeah.
Beautiful here though.
The next morning.
All right, so we're here in Vegas. We're at Escape Eagles in Las Vegas here. Good guy Ralph. If you're ever here in Las Vegas, check this place out if you ever want to ride Harley. So this is gonna be her first time on a Harley Davidson we're riding. So how you feeling at this point?
I'm excited and a little bit nervous, but I think it's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day right now. I know you can't really tell, but for Vegas, it's only about 80 something degrees. It's kind of breezy. It's really nice out. But today, what we're gonna be riding this Road King right here. It's pretty nice. A little bit bigger than the Sportster. Yeah, so this is gonna be new for me. So this should be interesting to check out. So we're gonna get on the bike and see how this one does. But these are your foot pegs. So,
Where do I hold on to exactly? Because there's nothing to hold on to.
you're gonna be holding on to me, and you can hold on to back here.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Getting a little nervous?
I feel like I'm getting on a roller coaster with no harness and safety belt.
But it's a fun roller coaster.
I've never been on a bike before.
Well, okay.
I'm so nervous.
Yeah, just sit still and you're fine.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Woo!
All right, so what do you think?
Oh my God! Oh man! Oh look, it's John something or other.
John's incredible something. Looks like a...
You're incredible, honey. You're incredible.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm okay.
This is a nice bike. It's definitely a lot bigger than my bike.
Now I kind of want you to get a two-seater bike. Oh, I mean, I have this helmet. I might as well use it, right?
Right.
Oh my God. The turns are the scariest part. I'm trying not to lean at all. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to not fall off.
You don't realize it, but you're doing 50 miles an hour right now. And,
It doesn't feel that fast. I'm
right.
sure if I fell off, it'd feel that fast.
Well, the idea is not to fall off.
I'll tell you what, my pits are sweating like nobody's business.
Once we actually get moving, you'll feel a little bit better.
No, I mean, it's not because I'm hot, it's the nerves.
Oh, the nerves.
Yeah. I mean, I'm actually very comfortable, even though I'm pretty sure I'm going to have like 3rd-degree sunburn on my neck.
Oh, that's why we brought sunscreen.
Oh my god, what am I supposed to do on turns? Nothing? Just sit still?
You don't need to lean. You just need to
So if you're turning right, I look over my right shoulder.
over my right shoulder. Yeah.
This reminds me a lot of like South Central LA.
South. I think it's a little different than South Central.
A little safer, maybe. Oh my god! Please don't go.
after this great
All
car,
right, after this car, you're allowed.
I'm allowed. So now you can kind of feel what it is to get to be a little more up to speed here.
Oh my god, what does that smell? It smells delicious.
Sure.
Just tell me it's not Taco Bell.
I doubt it's Taco Bell.
A lot of taco places here. Maybe we should have moved here.
I bet some of these taco joints out here are probably
So good.
so good. Yeah.
So good. Oh god.
You guys getting used to it?
Yeah, it's just when you go like ever so slightly faster, I just like, I don't know. I'm fine. It's all fine.
Doing good?
I'm good. This is fun.
I kind of like this bike. It rides nice once I'm used to it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm starting to like get comfortable.
Yeah, you getting more comfy now?
Yeah. Cute houses here.
So I guess the rule is basically the further away from the strip, the nicer it gets.
Nicer it gets. It's just everything. I mean, these are really nice houses. It's just so loud.
It's a desert.
I just.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god, what? Oh Jesus.
Hold on, I didn't see that stop sign.
Oh my god. Alright, first heart attack.
Well, I'm not gonna blow a stop sign.
Oh my god. Woo!
Now this is the real. This is what it really is all about right here.
There we go. It's a bit of a shame to see how dirty it is on the side of the road. So dirty. People have no respect.
Humans in general kind of suck.
Yeah. I'd be the one picking the shit up on the side of the road. Woo! I mean, for real, someone dumped their boat.
Just a boat on the
That is really bad.
just a random boat on the side of the road.
Wow, look at that. Oh my god, this is so cool. This feels so good. The breeze.
Yep.
Or I should say the wind.
It's not so scary, right?
Nope, not scary. I'm more scared of everybody around us than I am about actually being on the bike.
Yeah, that's generally a good fear to have because it's everyone else who's the problem.
Really, really cool landscape.
You liking that helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, don't put this in your video, but I feel like it's gonna pull out my fucking hair. But I feel safe in it, I guess, and I feel like it fits me well. And it's like pretty comfortable as far as I feel like helmets should be. It makes a disaster of my hair. I don't know how girls have like good looking hair after taking these things off.
They don't. I think it's like ponytails and
Did you wave back?
oh yeah, of course. Sign of respect.
Am I supposed to do that too?
No, just me. I mean, I guess you could, but you can give them the old like, hey, how's it going? This is so cool.
I know. Love it.
I feel like we should see Walter White and Jesse Pinkman traveling on an RV out here somewhere.
Yeah, bitch!
Totally thinking that. I bet you being like on the production team for that show must have been a blast.
Yeah, probably. But that was all in Albuquerque, but it's still same.
Yeah, same thing. I've been to Albuquerque, and from what I recall, it's not hugely different from this landscape.
No. Oh, well, his passenger did it.
Yeah, I saw that. You speak for both of us. I'll do it next time. You just go like this.
It's like peace sign, but down. It's like
Okay.
two fingers down.
Like this. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like kind of like your palm facing.
I'm facing them.
Yeah, like that. See my hand?
All right. Now I know.
Now you know the biker wave. So now you're a true biker, right? Well, soon enough we'll get you on your own bike at some point.
Oh my God, an automatic.
An automatic bike. So overall, do you think this first experience on a bike is pretty good?
It was pretty awesome. I definitely, instead of tiptoeing into the water, I decided to dive right into the deep end. But it's been an awesome day. It's been super fun.
I think it's been pretty good.
Yeah, it's insane. I didn't expect to be whipped around like this. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
definitely been extraordinary in a lot of ways. Between the scenery and the wind and the heat.
Well, now you're just going to have to become like a regular installment on the YouTube channel. Now you're going to be my like riding partner, and you're going to have to like come on rides and.
I'll be your riding partner.
Yeah. Let's see if people like our banter, you know, with talking back and forth.
Oh yeah.
Because they probably just get bored with me just talking to myself half the time. Well, I guess I'll just have to go get serious about looking for a second bike. Believe it or not, I find it hard to find. I find it hard to find these type of bikes,
Oh, is it?
like used for a decent price. So I just have to keep looking. All right, we're going to continue on a little bit. We're going to keep riding. I think we're going to split this up into 2 parts. So stay tuned for the next one where we continue riding, and I think there'll be some more interesting things that happen to us. But so far, this has been really fun. But hey, again, if you're new here, hit that like, comment, subscribe button below, and stay tuned for the next one, because this is so far has been a great day, and I can't imagine it's not going to get any worse. It's just getting better as we go on. So stay tuned, keep watching, and you keep riding and stay safe. All right, peace, everybody. Want to give them peace? Peace. All right, later.